Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer USDT from Bitget to Binance in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step tutorial will help you move your funds securely and efficiently. USDT, or Tether, is a stablecoin that's super popular for transfers because it maintains a one-to-one peg with the US dollar, making it ideal for avoiding volatility. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitget and Binance. Start by logging into your Bitget account. Once you're in, navigate to the Wallets, or Assets, section. Here, you'll see your available balances, including USDT. Click on USDT and select the Withdraw option. Next, you'll need to choose the right network for your transfer. In 2025, options like Tron, TRC20, or Ethereum, ERC20, are common, but always pick the one that matches your Binance wallet to avoid any issues or extra fees. Double-check this because mismatched networks can lead to lost funds. Now, enter your Binance wallet address. You can find this by logging into Binance, going to your wallet, and copying the USDT deposit address. Paste it carefully into the withdrawal form on Bitget, and don't forget to specify the amount you want to transfer. Bitget might ask for a withdrawal code or two-factor authentication for security. Always enable that if you haven't already. Review all the details one last time, then hit Confirm to initiate the transfer. Processing times can vary, but it usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on the network congestion. Once it's done, head back to Binance and check your wallet to confirm the USDT has arrived. A quick word of caution. Be mindful of transaction fees, which can add up, especially on slower networks. Also, double-check everything to prevent any errors. Crypto transfers are irreversible. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test the waters. There you have it. That's how you transfer USDT from Bitget to Binance in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.